Hey guys, welcome to Fitness to Food. Eating oats is the perfect thing for your morning breakfast, but it's not high in protein. Let's make this oats high protein. Let's get started.
Alright guys, the first thing we will take is the protein source that are 4 eggs. 4 eggs has 24 grams of protein. Now we will add some water around 100 ml and whisk it up completely so it becomes a smooth mixture.
To reduce the fat content in this recipe, what you can do is you can remove the egg yolk and add extra 4 egg whites in it. But I prefer to use the whole eggs and I'm managed to have some extra fat in this recipe.
That's why you are fat.
Now we will use some vanilla for the flavor and reduce the eggy mixture and the eggy smell for it. I'm using 30 grams of oats and 30 grams of oats has 1 gram of proteins. Now I'll let it rest for a while, around 10 to 15 minutes, or you can use straight away like me. Onto a medium flame, we will add our eggs and oat mixture and stir it very generously and very fastly and make sure the egg is not sticking to the bottom. If you feel that egg is sticking, scrape it off and mix it as fast as you can. And make sure the flame is not high. The moment it's high, it can be an omelette for you. So make sure you whisk it continuously and make sure it is coming up to a perfect porridge consistency. Here's a quick tip. Always whisk 4 times and then scrape it off from the pan. Now I'll add some salt and some stevia for the perfect flavor, balanced flavor. You can add some extra stevia if you want, but I add some fruits afterwards, so I don't add much stevia for it. Now you can top it up with the fruits that you like. I am using banana, then I'm going to add some almonds, I'm going to add some chia seeds and some coconut flakes at the same time. And what else do you need into your breakfast? You have to just sit down and have this spoon of enjoyment.
So guys, that's for it. Comment down below which fruit do you use while eating oats, and make sure you like and make sure you subscribe at the same time. Always eat healthy, but make sure it's tasty. Myself, Dhaval Kilkar, signing off.